You buy your chicks, you prepare everything, you put the feed in front of them, then something worries you. They are not eating, they are just standing there. Some are even sleeping, some are quiet, and immediately your mind goes to the worst place. Are they sick? Most times, a chick that is not eating is not sick. It is trying to tell you that something around it is wrong. And once you fix that thing, the chick usually starts eating. Today, let me show you the three things I always check first. Always remember this. Most chicks' problems start around the chicks before they start inside the chick. That is a lesson turkey farming teaches you over and over and over again. Number one, check the heat. Heat is the first thing I check. A turkey chick is very small. If it is cold, all its body is trying to do is stay warm. Food becomes the last thing on its mind. Look at your bears. If they are all squeezing together under the heat source, then they are cold. If they are all running away from the lamp or the heat source, and if they are breathing heavily, they are hot. So what's the best sign to look for? What you want to see is chicks that are eating with some sleeping and with some walking around. I mean, you want to see them looking relaxed. Your bears will tell you everything. You just have to learn how to watch them. Sometimes the heat will be fine, but the chicks still won't eat. That is when I check the next thing, the feed itself. Or I should actually say, can the chicks even find the feed? And that is the next thing, making eating easy. This surprises many beginners. A day-old chick has never seen feed before. It doesn't know what you have piled in front of it. It does not know that that is feed. It does not know where to look. It is seeing everything for the first time. So don't make life difficult for them. Do not use deep feeders in the beginning. Use something low, use something simple. A flat tray works. You can even sprinkle a little feed on paper near them. They will peck at it out of curiosity, and turkey chicks are very curious. Then they will learn quickly. And the last thing, water always comes first. A thirsty chick will not think about food, especially when the chick have traveled long distance before getting to the brooder house. By the time they arrive, some of them are already tired. So whenever new chicks arrive, I always do one thing, and that is I give them water first. I let them drink before I worry about feed. Keep the water shallow, keep it easy to reach. Don't give them very cold water, just normal water. Once they drink, many of them will walk to the feed by themselves. If your turkey chicks are not eating, don't panic. Check these three things. One, check the heat. Then check if they can find the feed. Then check if they have hard water. Most times, the answer is one of these three. Turkey farming is not about rushing to solve problems. It is about learning how to observe your bears. The bears will usually tell you the answer before the problem becomes serious. If your chicks are not eating right now, don't lose hope. Go back and check these three things. Many times, one small adjustment changes everything. And before you know, you see them walking around and eating normally again. That's one beautiful thing about turkey farming. Sometimes the smallest changes makes the biggest difference. Have you ever had turkey chick that refuses to eat before? What was the cause? Tell us in the comment section. Another farmer reading your comment may find the answer to saving his chick tomorrow. See you in the next one.